Hello, thanks for joining me. I am stitching a row, and so I've already started. I just wanted to show you how we are going to go ahead and start crocheting the stitch that we did yesterday. So go through the loop. Pull through 2 loops, and then you're going to pull through 2 more loops. So that's why it's important for your initial stitch not to be too tight, because your needle needs to go through the loop. And it's really not that hard. So I just wanted to share how I crochet the border of the blanket. And once you've completed your first border, if you're doing a baby blanket, you could just leave it with just one initial border. But I'm going to extend this blanket. Right now it's 2 yards. So I am going to add probably another 2 to 3 more yards by crocheting it. So here I'm just showing you. You're going to pull through the first 2 loops and then pull through the last loop. Go in, pull through 2, and then pull through 2 more. And then here's just showing you what our crochet stitch looks like. Through that stitch, wrap it around, pull it through 2, and then 2 more. And so it gets a lot easier. This is the time consuming part, is just making your initial crochet stitch. And once you've got the whole border around the blanket, then you can go ahead and finish crocheting. You could do a single stitch, double stitch, whatever your preference is. I probably will do single stitches to finish the rest of the blanket. Okay, so now we are coming to the edge, the corner of the blanket. And what I normally do, as you can see, I normally do 3 stitches in one hole just on the edge. So as you can see, so 2, so right there, 1, 2, 3, and that kind of helps keep your corner flat. It curves with the blanket. There's so many different ways that you can do it, but this is how I'm doing this particular blanket. I'm trying to do it the easier way to show you if you're just starting. And then the next stitch, I'm doing the same thing. I'm making 3 in one loop. Okay, it just shows how it should be laying flat and it curves with the blanket. So I think I am going to stop right here for this video. I will continue at home, get as many stitches as I can, and then I will be back tomorrow to show you what I have done. Yeah, so thanks again if you tuned in, if you're watching, I really appreciate you. As always, stay loving, be kind, stay healthy.